Hi guys. Today we are going to deploy a branch into another branch, or we can say that we are going to merge a testing branch into your master branch. So it's a very common approach and very frequent situation that we merge our feature branch into a master branch when we are going to deploy our any task or module, or we can say any feature on production server. So let's create a branch, or I can say Git repo at my local. Let me create a Git repo at GitHub also. This is our default branch. Master is committed to our Git repo. Let me check. Refresh this. The master branch is committed, and we can see the index page as well. Okay, let me create a testing branch, which is day1 in our case. So this is the text in our master branch and this is in our dev 1 branch. So we are going to create a Jenkins job to merge this branch into master branch. We have to provide the git username and password here. It is used to pull or push or make any changes on that. You can add it here. Or let me show you another. Go to dashboard, credentials, Jenkins. Here the listed I already added. Global, add credentials, and you can add from here also as well. Here are the list SSH key, secret file, like that. The branch we have to merge it dev 1 because this is the job we are creating for dev 1 branch. Initially we will trigger it manually. So here we can see that when dev 1 branch is pulled from this repository, we have to go to master branch and then git merge origin dev 1 in branch master. After merging, post build actions, we have to commit it to master. Push only if build is succeeded. It will help us if build is failed or there is any merge conflict. It will not push the changes to master branch. The branches, branch to push, master, remote name, origin. What is it? We'll check it later. Successful. Let's check on master branch. Yes, it is master branch. Here is your commit tab. uh, guys, one more thing to notify that if you want to add your username or email in Jenkins, you can add it from here. Go to Jenkins, manage Jenkins, configure system, and here you can find a section for git config username, and let me type my name and email. It can be your email as well. Apply and save.